Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming permissions and selecting the input method. This saves friction. Once done, position yourself in a quieter environment and plug in a headset if needed to reduce background noise. Now open any app that accepts text, bring up the keyboard, and tap the microphone or voice key icon to enter listening mode. Speak a clear test phrase so you can confirm volume and recognition. Make sure the language setting matches what you'll speak to avoid mistranscription and save time later. You'll now dictate the body of your message with intentional pacing and commands that the system understands. Say punctuation words when you want a period or comma. Pause to let the model catch sentence boundaries. If the keyboard supports voice editing, use commands like select last word or delete that to fix errors hands-free. For complex text, alternate short dictated phrases with quick touch edits. This keeps accuracy high. Once satisfied, run a quick visual scan and make any remaining manual corrections. Finish by proofreading the text, either allowed to catch flow and homophones or visually for capitalization and formatting. Once done, finalize by sending, copying, or saving the text. If things go wrong, restart the keyboard, check microphone permissions, or toggle the input language. These fixes solve most recognition issues. If persistent, reinstall voice data or try a different microphone. For privacy-sensitive content, switch to offline voice recognition if available. That completes the workflow and one key troubleshooting tip to resolve common failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.